John Piper with the weekend video clip, and it's Saturday the 1st of July. Starting with the Dow, this is the 4-hour chart. We have the low here, we then have a 1 here. This counts as the sort of final fifth wave in the process. There are alternative counts, but let's monitor this one first. I had been thinking this was a 4th with a 5th coming in. I now think we may have actually seen the 4 and the 5. Let me just start again. So we have a 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. This counts best as a fifth wave failure. Now, we come out to a major peak. At that point, we're going to see major forces coming to affect the downside. So a fifth wave failure at this juncture is not that surprising. So this will give us a 1, 2, a 3 to there. No, sorry, a 1, 2, 3 to there. This remains a 4 with a fifth wave due to complete the third wave here. So it's still looking positive in the shorter term, but for not too much longer. And we have another fairly major correction due. I mean, this correction took the Dow from 21,000 down to 2,500, so about 2 or 3%, not huge in fact. So let's have a look in the shorter term. Right, so this is the fifth wave failure, and from there we have an A, B, C with that spike low we saw last week, and now this is the fifth wave coming in. So it's still a case that we've got positives, short-term positives for the next maybe week or so before another setback comes in. But the key message here is that we are very close to major peaks. During the week I got an email from one of my subscribers asking about this, why these markets falling back so much at the moment. I said it's my view that 90% or so of the gains are behind us, i.e. that we're now within 10% of major peaks. Whenever markets get to these sort of levels, they get twitchy, and these sorts of falls are liable to be quite common going forwards from here. Chart pattern suggests we still have new highs to come, at least on some markets, the Dow for example, but the risk is now to the downside. No guarantee, of course, but that's how it looks to me. So right now this peak could well give us another high, but that high will give way to another sell-off, and I think we should not expect too much more gains from stock markets generally going forwards. And if this happens, I think gold and probably Bitcoin as well, and other sort of assets which benefit whenever stock markets collapse, will be to the fore. Gold. Right, now look at gold. We're looking for a move into an upward move into mid-August as per time price analysis. We seem to be still base building now, which is a bit disappointing perhaps, but we had the lows there, gone slightly lower recently. That was touched the 200-day moving average. So we have a possible 1, 2, although the wave count, it could be a flat actually, ABC, BC. So we're still looking for this move up, but currently we can still be optimistic, but if we take this low here out, that would be a bit of a killer, I think. But right now things are potentially positive, we just need to see some actual positive action. Alright, finally a quick look at Bitcoin today. This is a Konergy chart. The peak came in at 3,000, clear ABC off there. Another A, B, C there. I was thinking we might see another move down to 1800, but it had big ABC. The way it's going, it's a bit more like a triangle at the moment. That could be the C wave. So join up these peaks and troughs. It could be that. It could actually be the D wave. So the E wave now with us. It should be a major buying opportunity, either if we go down to 1800, I would expect to see new highs, so a move from 1800 to 3000 would certainly be worth trading, and certainly either trade on IG, or I've now found FX Choice, which is quite a good and reasonably priced, so the spread's quite tight, 5 points, IG's 10 points. So this could be a major opportunity to go long of Bitcoin. Quite how it panned out, I mean, either a break above there or a retest of there, or if it does go lower, then the 1800 level would be a fantastic opportunity, I think. But right now it's looking like it might be triangulating, and a little more of that could take us to the breakout point. Right, on that note, I'll call it a day. I found that interesting and useful. By the way, on the Bitcoin, if you want details of the of FX Choice, for example, then please just drop me a line. I may put a link in the email actually as well, but always interested in having feedback, so feel free to get in touch. Where was I? So thanks for listening, have a great day, have found it interesting and useful. I'll back the report on Tuesday morning, subscribers, and bye for now.